Okay, hello, hello. Hopefully, you guys can see me. So let me open YouTube and Twitter and check if I am live or not. Yes, I am live, and let me tweet. Okay, now that I have retweeted, and now we can start. Okay, today we will be building the dashboard. Let me push this down somewhere here. Reset the timer. Okay, you remember yesterday's plan? First, we'll create top liquidations table. Can we check if Blockworks has a table in their analytics page, and we can take that as a reference? No, all graphs. They do have this. Okay, this is not what we were looking for. Anyway, we'll just use a random table. Oh, we can reference quick node. Quick node, yes. This copy image. Um, I am gonna use ChatGPT uh, on the like my sorry on the different browser. My regular browser. This browser I use only for streaming. So if I'm not talking and not doing something, most probably I am using ChatGPT to get some snippet, or maybe let me try. We can use Copilot also. I don't know if it allows us to. Okay, it does allow us to paste the image. GPT-5 mini. Go to, yeah, I created this React page, React project. with npx create react app. So nothing, I haven't installed anything or changed anything. Just started the project, created new project, and kept that as it is. Okay, cd web. Now we can run. Okay, pnpm run start. Okay, localhost 3000. You see, basic react project. Now I'm going to do delete everything, and I mean everything from this project. Let's start with app localhost. Let me show you this. Yeah, I'll you can see the live changes here. Anyway, in the console we won't have any interesting things to see, so I'll just hide it with the browser. That's great. Okay, we can go to app, remove everything, and say h1 hello world. We don't need app.css, logo.css, nothing. We can delete this. Index. Okay, we don't also we do need index.js, but we don't need report vitals. No, maybe we should keep it. Now first is create some create same table. No, let's remove this. Export, copy. Okay, create these blocks with tailwind css and react.js. Okay, I haven't enabled it. I guess I'm gonna go to 4.1. Let's try to add that. Okay, we haven't installed Tailwind, so okay. Can we just check here? Tailwind CSS docs. Yes, okay. What's next? Tailwind with wheat? No. Post CSS. Show me how to install Tailwind CSS with project created by command npx create react app. So it's installing all the dependencies. Let's see if it it's successful or not. The command executes successfully or not. If it does, that's great. If it doesn't, let's figure things out. Okay, it's still installing. We can start with index.css. Let's create new file tailwind.config.js. Okay, it might be hidden, but you can see this file, and I'm just gonna paste that here. The config. Okay, I don't understand why this is taking so much time. Pnpm install pnpx executable not found bin, and there should be tailwind somewhere. No, could not. We can always run it directly, but let's see. Oh, sorry. Can we run? Okay, that works. We are executing the command in the wrong file. And let's check our. No, no, nothing changed. Let's close this. Do we have to do something different? Post CSS, okay. Clear browser cache. I don't think there is. Okay, there is something. It didn't affect anything. We can add this. Okay, nothing. Okay, how many people are watching? Oh, today there are 44 views on Twitter. That that's a lot of views. On YouTube there are 2 or 3 people. That's awesome actually. Let's see. Where were we? We are doing this. We are importing. Let's remove the whole thing. Hello is black, red, no. Mm, Don't tell me. Elements. Did we set this correctly? Yes, we did do that. Next is, yes, it's working now. That's good. Uh, Now what we want to do is, yeah, let's copy this again. Copy the image and I'm pasting that in ChatGPT. It will give me the box, all the boxes, and then we can start with next part, which is the table. So let's go to localhost 8080 and get our top liquidations where, no, not where, liquidations order by liquidated collateral amount USD descending. Okay, and we can run it. So this is the query, and we'll get all the what are these? All the liquidations and the data that is a. Let's copy the code generated. Yeah, I'm copying from ChatGPT. Just keep that in mind. Okay, let's see what it created. Yes, it did create everything we wanted. Okay, we don't actually want this outer line. Okay, remove this. We don't need dev. Why are we getting? Okay, not this. Everything is removed. Now let's focus on creating the table. Where is the image? Yes. Copy image. You can get data from GraphQL query, and that query is I I will set headers and URL, but you can do rest of it. Okay, it's creating a big component. We'll copy everything and paste it. I know there will be errors. Let's see. Let's resolve everything one by one. We can start with this. Great. Now, okay. Oh, we accidentally copied everything. Now go to top and add the import. Now next is setting the URL, yeah, which is http colon slash slash localhost 8080, and one more header is needed, which is x hasura admin secret. And for our local, it's testing. Okay, let's see if we get something. Okay, we are not getting any data. Console log data JSON, and okay, console failed to fetch. Why? Do we have? It's loading. Oh, it's localhost. We put localhost. Localhost 8080 fetched data. Sorry about this. Cool. With this, we have completed. Transaction hash. Does it take? Yes, it does take us to Etherscan. Liquidator address, user address, collateral address. Let me check it again. Data, liquidations, collateral amount to cover USD. No, liquid USD is let's first check collateral amount. Okay, so timestamp, then this is hash. Let me add. No, time, date. Okay, ignore this. This is date. This is hash. This is liquidator address, user address, collateral asset. We should do same thing for asset. Okay, here we'll say collateral asset, copy it. Okay, collateral asset done. Now collateral amount, remove this and say L dot, no, L dot, what's the name? Let's remove this and this. We do get this amount. How do we format this to format? I can access L dot collateral amount and data will look like this. How do I convert that to million? 1.3 dollar, 1.3 million, and if in thousands, convert to dollar 1.3k. It will probably write a function and we can use that. Let's see. Oh, as I said, it's writing a function. We'll put it somewhere at the top. Format USD. Go down. That's great. Also, don't expect any uh, design ideas from me. I'm just I'm just gonna use whatever I have and whatever ChatGPT suggests. So yeah, next we need to shorten this, and this. Copy it. Go to okay. Why we are using this? Any? We want name. How do we get name? Okay, we haven't saved the name. Okay, then we should use our token metadata. Rename, no, copy, paste it here, rename it to JS, remove the type notation. It's not really required. Okay, TJS rename. Now what? Great. Import that inside import from dot slash token metadata collateral asset. Do we have collateral asset precision? No. We we have collateral asset, debt asset, collateral. Like, yes, we do have precision. What I wanted to do, yeah, token metadata. Give this dot symbol. Now that's done. We again want the amount, the token amount. So L dot, let me copy precision to fixed to. Okay, that doesn't work. What's up with this? Can yes, that worked. You see, everything is here as we wanted. Next is data set. We'll do the same thing that we did to collateral asset. Okay, I guess that's good enough. Next, we will do the same thing. Just change the values to debt to cover USD, debt to cover precision, and debt asset. Great. Okay, maybe we should go here and modify this. Remove dollar sign. Format amount. Go down. Format USD. Format amount. Now add dollar in front of it. and use same format amount on this. Where are we getting the error? Can we see this? No. Okay, best is this is working perfectly. Now we'll remove this. Everything is messed up. Add this and we get an error. We get the error at where num dot fixed. Oh, here we get that error. Can we convert this to like and resolve? Yes, we did resolve it. Okay, we have our first table. We can add pagination. Let's see how it suggests adding pagination in this. I'm going back to ChatGPT. Let's add the pagination controls. I'm just pasting what set page bunch of hooks. Where page is not defined. Use effect. Okay, it's trying to use effect. I know this will throw an error. Let's copy this and this part. Remove all of this. We don't need it for at least for now. and then add endpoint and the header. Okay, it works. We have a lot of liquidations. Okay, I don't know if you guys are watching there. If you are, let me know. Also, does someone know how to fix Twitter? Because Twitter doesn't show me. Where is my mobile? I forgot. Yeah, Twitter doesn't show me the chat. It just says loading forever. So I don't know if someone has sent any message. Most probably they haven't. But anyway, I wanted to check. On YouTube, everything works perfectly. Okay, cool. What's now that this is done. Next part is adding the graph. Which graph was that? Liquidation numbers. So we have timestamp. Let's focus on this part. The timestamps. We wanted to create a bar stacked bar graph, right? So I explained you what that is yesterday, but let me explain you again. Stacked bar graph looks like this, where total actual bar shows total amount, but that total amount can be divided into multiple parts, right? So these different colors represent each different part, and that was the idea. Okay, for now I don't think that's needed. For now, let's just create bar chart with number of liquidations per day. No, per month. Yeah, because Aave V3 were deployed somewhere around like 2023, maybe start of 2023, and it's mid 2025. So creating monthly graph makes sense, and we'll say, give me a second, give me timestamp for start of November 2024 and end of that same month. So we will, what we'll do is, we'll say liquidation timestamp is in, no, is greater than equal to this, but less than equal to this. So in November 2024, we have total of 123 liquidations. Remove, no, take this back. back down here. We can convert this to a different, we can remove this into a different component, so that way we have a way to add new component. Let's just cut the whole thing. We are going to say function fetch liquidation liquidation table return and fetch, no, liquidation table. Does everything work? Fetch data. Okay, everything works. Let me add this. I don't like this part. I want to put them one on top of another. Can we add like br? Okay, no, I guess we can't. Let's see if this works. No, it doesn't. It doesn't work. Anyway, ignore that for now. Oh no. Oh, it actually does work. I was looking at collateral amount instead of that. Sorry about that. Okay, cool. If that works, okay, that's good. That's good. Let's try to remove this. What happens? Okay. we need we do need a space between. Okay, next is, yeah, next we already know the stacked, the bar graph. Where is, yeah, write a component to fix, no, to create bar bar chart with monthly, no, quarterly, with number of monthly liquidations, liqui, liquidations. This query gives you that number, but you have to call it multiple times. Timestamp is start of the month and end of the month. Go back 24 months from today, and this is how the data looks. Okay, so it will create like 24 API requests, which is not good. Pro- Most of the time you should not do it, but as this is um, what yeah, as this is local, we can do it. Where it's, yeah, okay, for creating bar charts it's saying use rechart. What's rechart? Recharts. Let's stop this. Pnpm install recharts. Ignore this, come back to our page. Also we can always refactor everything. I'm just gonna put everything in the same file right now and then go back manually, go back and modify everything. Ah, let's put all the imports at the top. Remove this, we don't need that. and let's add it, and hopefully everything works. If not, I'm gonna end the stream and stop the torture. It won't work. It will not work. I know that. There will be some issue, some like compilation error, something like that. And you see, there is conflict between. Okay, who are these people who are watching me on Twitter? I don't understand. Okay. Is the issue of I using um sorry, is the issue because I'm using different package managers? I should have just used a single pnpm. And let's run it. Now the actual error. Oh, it actually works. That's perfect. I didn't expect that. We have everything that we want. Well, what's next? Do same for USD. Okay, now we already have it. So let's start. Aggregate sum debt to cover USD. Now I'm going to say do same for this query. It shows monthly liquidated debt in terms of USD query and the data. Okay, while it creates that, can we see February, March, April? That's good. That's not bad. We can always improve the styles, but this is really not that bad. It's very good. Now we just have to copy the component it created. Okay, now I have to resolve these errors. With this, let's go down here and add one more chart. Okay, that's good. Liquidations. Okay, cool. Also, I think we have done our 1 hour stream, daily 1 hour stream. This is good. This is phenomenal, if you ask me. Now, what's the next part? Next part is, yeah, next part is just we have 3 more charts to do, 2 more charts, and maybe going to next part of this series, which is tracking Aave current loans and deposits. So we can figure out what we want to do, but right now whatever we have done, it's successful, and I'm going to deploy this on Versal. Let's see. Okay, if you're watching on YouTube, please do subscribe. I want that subscriber number to go up. Right now it's 65. I want like 650k. So we are gonna go there like one by one. So please go there and subscribe. If you are watching on Twitter, why? I don't know what's wrong with you, but please go and watch on YouTube. But anyway, thanks for watching on Twitter too. If you're on Twitter, follow me there and go to YouTube and subscribe to Decrypted Bytes. It's youtube.com/@decrypted bytes. That's how you spell it. Anyway, hopefully you like the stream. If you didn't, I don't know what to do. I'm open to suggestions about how to improve the stream and what I can do better. So let me know in the YouTube comments or send me a Twitter DM, whatever you like, or go to LinkedIn and DM me there. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions and I'm happy to take them. What's next? Okay, that's about it. See you guys tomorrow, same time, and you already know what we are doing tomorrow. So, yeah, have a nice day and peace.